Paschimottanasana. Sit in Uttanasana, breathe in and raise your arms over your head. Clasp the fingers together and turn them up to perform Dandasana. Slowly bend forward with emphasis on your lower back until you can catch your big toes with your index finger and thumb. Stretch up and then bend further forward until your face rests on your knees. Hold the posture for 10 to 30 seconds with gentle breathing. When ready, release the fingers and stretch back up into the Dandasana. Come back to the Uttanasana. Lie down in Shavasana and relax for some time with deep breathing. This posture helps to stretch the entire back and tones up the abdominal organs. Digestion is improved and body metabolism speeded up. Abdominal fat is also burnt away. Patients of hypertension and back troubles should avoid Paschimottanasana. Padottanasana. Take a firm Samastiti-asana with your weight balanced on your feet. Spread your feet apart and stand in a steady manner. Lift your arms up to the shoulder level and stretch them to the sides as if they are pulling your chest in opposite directions. Breathe in and stretch your arms upward, keeping them parallel to each other above your head. Breathe out and slowly bring your hands down until they are touching the ground in between your feet. Breathe in and lift your head and give a healthy stretch to your entire back. Breathe out and place your head on the ground in between the legs with your hands placed palm down on the ground on either side of your head. Hold the position for 50 to 20 seconds. When ready, release the posture by lifting the head on an in-breath. Then slowly lift the hands over the head and come back to the standing position in a slow and steady manner. Relax in the Samastiti-asana with a few rounds of deep breathing. Padahastasana. Stand in Samastiti-asana and slowly raise your arms up as you breathe in. Maintain the stretch and bend forward, bringing your hands to the ground as you breathe out. Place your palms on either side of your feet. Breathe in and look up, stretching your neck. Breathe out and bring your forehead to your knees. This posture gives a good stretch to the entire spine and provides an improved flow of blood to the upper part of the body by virtue of being one of the poses where the head is below the heart. When ready, breathe in and come up to the standing pose by slowly raising your arms and torso in a steady manner. Bring your hands back to your sides and relax in the Samastiti-asana.